Hello guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna learn about how to earn money just by liking YouTube videos. So before start, consider subscribing for daily making money online videos, and don't forget to share this video with your friends to earn money online, and stay till the end so you can make money and not miss any step, because if you miss the step you won't make any money, and I want you to make the money. I want you to get the bag. So focus on the video, don't skip through, watch all the video so you can earn money. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe for daily making money online videos. So the website is called rapidworkers.com. Rapid Workers is a crowdsourced service with more than 100,000 workers. Our team helps individuals, small businesses, and professionals to create low-cost publicity and marketing campaigns to increase sales, better ranking, and backlinks, and much more. So, actually, guys, this website is going to pay you to do a small little job that won't take a few seconds, and you're going to earn money. That's crazy. So, we are combining workers, employers to minimize publicity and marketing costs while at the same time providing money to everyday users. So as you guys can see, workers, you sign up, browse for jobs, select the job to look and finish the task and submit the proof, and then you earn the money. That's the crazy thing about this, is you are gonna earn the money. And just simple tasks, we are gonna just like videos. I'm gonna show you a bonus step, but stay till the end and watch all the video and don't miss a step. As you guys can see, they pay by PayPal and they pay to the bank account, Visa, and all these things. So first thing we wanna do, guys, is we wanna sign up. We click here, sign up now. We'll go to this page. You're gonna fill your information, and very important thing, guys, first you need to put your original country. This method is worldwide, so don't be scared. Put your country that you live in. This method works for everyone. Just put your real country, because if you don't use your real country, you're gonna get banned, and we don't want this happen. There's a couple rules. I'm gonna read it for you guys so you can earn the money without any problem, without getting banned or anything. Using VPN or other type of masking IP software. Don't use VPN, guys, that's forbidden. Don't use VPN. Multiple accounts with the same IP or using shared or public Wi-Fi. Don't use more than one account with the same IP address. That will prevent you from making the money. You'll get banned. Don't even use public Wi-Fi. Simple IP used with other accounts to do tasks, doing other country jobs that you are not from. So let's say there's a job for the United States and you're not staying in the United States. Don't do this job because you're gonna get banned, and we don't want this to happen. All these things will get you eventually banned. If you got banned, don't waste your time making another account. So that's what I told you, guys. Always agree to their what they're saying and create a free account. So guys, you go to your Gmail account and you will get this link to confirm your email activation. This is an email that will be sent to your email account that you signed up with. Click this link, email activation, boom, and that's what gonna pop up right now. So that's what happened. Your account is not active. You're logged in into RapidWorks, list available jobs. So we're gonna search for jobs that's international. Like, let's say you're not living in the United States, don't do the United States job. Let's say you're living in Switzerland, or you don't do this job, because if you're not living in Switzerland, don't do it, you'll get banned. Let's search for things that are international or with your country name. So if you're living in the USA, do this one and international. So you won't be banned by doing your own country and the international. So you go right YouTube, search. As you guys can see, watch and like fast pay football fans. You're gonna like a video and you're gonna get paid instantly. So the trick for today is you're gonna click the most paying the most paying. Click on most paying, and as you guys can see, $7.50. We're gonna choose this one. If it's international, that's not international, so we go to this $4.20. 5 minutes, it will take only 5 minutes, and that's the most highest paid. You're gonna click this one, and this page will pop up. You're gonna read the rules, gonna read all these rules, and you're gonna submit your screenshot or the things, the proof that you have done here, and you're gonna earn money. Guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it with all of your friends to make money online now. And for daily making money online videos, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, turn on notifications, and see you in the next video.